Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the best photos features iOS 18 are introducing in iPhone. What is new we will see and how to use. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Now let's start as a mobile screen. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. So now let's start as a demonstration. iOS 18 our biggest update in photos application. Look at this, the photos, all photos comes together. Previous versions like right to left and left to right scroll is available like this, but now they are change entire things. One of the biggest change they are introducing, if I scroll down, so look at this, some of the features enable here, up and right, year and month related feature. If you click here arrows, so here bunch of options are coming. If you click here in the filter, so filters, the favorite, edits, photos and videos are coming. If you click here in the favorite, so favorite is automatically display here, edited photos and only photos means all photos, videos automatically display here, videos, and you are taking some of the screenshots, so screenshots is also coming here. Previously those features they are not introducing very smartly. You can just touch one touch and all features comes here. Then the view options, zoom in, zoom out, related features also they are introducing. Square photo grade, remove this one, and screenshot, share photo, share with you, someone are sharing this photos, so definitely those photos share with someone, and then that's it. Again I scroll down here, yearly photos are displaying here, each and every year like a 24. I have just only 1 year photos. Month wise photos you can very easily recognize here, October, September and previous month. But biggest change for this year, they are introducing here this arrow and this filter. That one is a really interesting features they are introducing for us. And one more important tips here, if you search here something and you just put it here randomly word, like I just add here car, so how many photos cars available in my photo galleries, all cars related photos are coming here, and that is the beauty of this one. So like Veer, so look at this, I am mentioning here person name is Veer, so all photos come here from the specific person. So you can search here whatever you want, specific in 2024 or year or specific date, so you can very easily recognize of specific date wise photos also. That is the beauty of iOS 18. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.